subject EVS. Today we will learn parts of our body. In this chapter we study about external and internal body parts, how animals use their body parts and taking care of the body. Now students, human body is a wonderful machine which is created by nature, and all external and internal part work together. Without any part our body is not work properly. So we will learn first about external body part.
Hi kids, I learned something really exciting today. Would you want to know? That's my head. I have two little eyes. I can see with my eyes. How many eyes? Two. I have two little ears. I can hear all the sounds with my ears. How many ears? Two. What's that smell? Oh, that's my nose. I can smell with my nose. That's my teeth. I can eat with my teeth. Oh, those are my arms. I can wave with them. Those are my hands. Two hands. Two hands. Those are my fingers. 10 fingers. 10 fingers. Those are my legs. Two legs to walk. Two legs. Those are my feet. So I have a head, a head, two eyes to see, two eyes to see, two ears to hear, two ears to hear, one nose to smell, one nose to smell, one mouth with teeth to eat, one mouth with teeth to eat, two arms to wave, arms to wave, two hands to shake, two hands to shake, 10 fingers to pick up objects, 10 fingers, two legs to walk, two legs to walk, feet to run, feet to run. Those are my body parts.
Internal body parts. You can see internal body parts in some pictures. The internal organs. The brain. Inside our head is the brain. The skull protects the brain. The brain controls all the body parts and all activities they do. The brain is the controlling center of the nervous system. The nerves form a network throughout the body and carry message to and from the brain. The brain also helps us to think, learn and remember things. The heart. The heart is the most important part of the human body. It is located between the two lungs. The circulatory system consists of the heart, blood and tubes called blood vessels. The heart is the center of the circulatory system. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. The lungs. In human, the nose, windpipe and lungs are the body parts that help in the breathing process. There are two lungs inside our chest. They are protected by a rib cage, like a structure made up of bones called the rib cage. The lungs help us to breathe in fresh air and breathe out dirty air. The liver. The liver also help in digestion. The liver is the largest gland in our body. It performs more than 500 functions. It is one of the biggest organs inside our body. The kidneys. A pair of kidneys present in our body are most important. It filters the waste out of the blood and remove waste from the body in the form of urine. The stomach. The stomach stores the food we eat. It also helps in churning or breaking down food. It then mixes the food with juices that helps in digestion. A student second is how animals use their body parts like lion, tiger and cow. They use their ears for hearing and their mouth for chewing food. But instead that they not have hand but they have four legs. How animals use their body parts. Animals differ from human in many ways. Animals such as the horse, cow, dog and lion eat with their mouth and hear with their ears, but they do not have hands. Instead they have four legs. Fish do not have arms and legs. They swim with the help of their fins and tails. Fish breathe with their gills. Taking care of the body. To stay healthy, we must look after our body and keep it free from germs. Germs live and grow in dirt and can make us fall sick. To keep the germs away, we should take a bath daily with soap and water, wash hands before eating, keep fingernails short and dirt free, keep the hair clean, brush our teeth in the morning and before going to sleep at night, and take